everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be stuffing my bills binder for the week. I believe we have $613 here. Let's count it out. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Did I count wrong? I think I did. That's 4. 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40. Maybe I didn't. Oh, yeah. Okay. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 6. Okay, I did count wrong. That's 6 and then 618. All right. Okay, you guys. This one's going to be a quick video because I am on the clock. But I don't have any calls yet, but if they call me, I will have to cut this video very, very short. I hope not, though. All right, so for my bills binder, rent is going to get $350. So here's 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, so rent now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Oh, and they're all the wrong way. Why? Okay. Okay, that was 6. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, $700 in rent, which is halfway there. Internet is going to be getting $16. So here's 5, 10, 15, and 16. So internet now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32. Hold on one second. Okay, I had to readjust the camera. All right, phone is gonna be getting $17. So here is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. All right, so phone now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. $34. And you guys, I was talking to my fiance. I'm gonna just vent with you guys for a little bit. If Daisy's watching, I'm so sorry, babe. I'm sorry. But I have to vent a little bit about my job. I love my job. Most of you guys know. Jim's gonna be getting 5. I love my job. I love what I do. I love helping others. I just love being a nurse. And I love being in hospice. But recently, I've been having a lot of problems with the company that I'm with. I'm basically doing the job of 2 nurses. And supposedly, they were supposed to be getting someone to cover the second section that I'm doing because that's not my section. And I don't see them doing anything about it. I don't think they want to hire anybody because I'm doing the job of 2 people, right? Well, I don't mind doing the job of 2 people. What I do mind is that when I do need help, nobody's there to help me. Now, let me give you guys an example of what I mean. So my area is the Peninsula area. The second nurse that's supposed to be covering, it's supposed to be the San Francisco area. So I'm doing the Peninsula and the San Francisco because they need to hire someone for San Francisco. I don't see them wanting to hire anybody for San Francisco, but so I've been doing it. I haven't had a problem with it. Netflix is going to get $20. So now Netflix has 20, 40, and 5. Oh, I see. Okay. I was like, why is Netflix getting so much? Because I have them categorized in one, Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon. So this is what it is for the month. So as you can see, Hulu doesn't have anything. But I'm going to put $5 in here. Is it 5? Yeah, $5. But this Netflix and Hulu is going to pay for Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon. I still need to make an Amazon binder, but it's, envelope, but that's okay. Savings is going to get 50. So here's 20, 40, and 50. And this one I am taking it out every week and putting it into my high yield savings account because there's no reason for me to be having savings in here, right? All right, so cash envelope. I'm not going to put anything in here, but I do have $600 set aside for it, which is the video that I'm going to do next. My credit card, I've already made the payment. It was $200, so we are going to leave this empty. Miscellaneous, I don't have any miscellaneous payments. We're just going to leave this as that. For groceries, I do have my PEBT, so I'm not going to be doing anything with this one yet. Gas is going to get $100, so let's do the $100 bill. All right, so I don't see them trying to hire anybody else. Now, I don't mind it. I don't mind it because my job's not that hard. I usually, I go to people's houses and give them treatment there, or, you know, manage their symptoms at their house, or at a facility, you know, I help them manage the symptoms because sometimes they don't know what to do. I don't mind it. And I feel like I don't mind it because I really, really love my job. Now, the problem is San Francisco is a very heavily populated area, meaning they get twice as much calls as every other area. Now, for me to be doing San Francisco and the Peninsula means I'm getting 3 times as many calls as everyone else. Not fair, right? No, it's not fair. So there are times where I am overwhelmed and I am tired because I have back-to-back calls all night. Now, mind you, if you guys know, I do work 15 hours a night. I work 5 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. all the way through. I don't get a lunch. I don't get anything. But that was in my contract. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You know, as long as you guys are paying me that 1 hour of lunch. I think they pay me 2 because I work so many hours. And I was like, okay, there's been a few times where I have so many calls and I am overwhelmed because I can't do it. And I want to ask, I ask other nurses to help me and they don't. They always have excuses. Now, it's not only that. Sometimes, okay, I do San Francisco and Peninsula. There are times where they need me to go out to San Jose. I go. It doesn't bother me to drive out, you know. San Jose is about an hour away from San Francisco, you guys. I don't mind it. I'm not complaining. I don't mind it. There are times where they want me to go out to Marin because they don't have a Marin nurse. Now, if you guys know, Marin is over the Golden Gate Bridge. Again, I don't mind it. If you guys need me to go, I will go to help a patient. But there's been times where I'm so overwhelmed on my area that I ask either the Marin nurse or the San Jose nurse to help me out, and they say no because that's not their area. It really, really enrages me how, 1, we're not working as a team, and 2, how no one's willing to help me, but I am willing to help them. So recently, they've been asking me to go to places, and I've been saying no. I'm like, nope, that's not my area. Nope, nope, nope. I feel bad, though, because, you know, that's my job. My job is to go help the patient. I don't care where it is, as long as I'm helping the patient, right? But I just don't think it's fair that they're constantly throwing all these calls on me because I don't say no. There was one time where I was, okay, so I guess the San Jose nurse couldn't work after a certain, I think it was like 2 hours into the shift. I think something happened to her car and she couldn't work for the night. So they started giving me the San Jose calls. So I was doing San Francisco, San Jose, and Peninsula. I was doing all 3 areas. I was like, it's fine, you know, I don't mind. But they gave me 2 calls at once, and I was like, look, can you guys get the Marin nurse to cover that call while I get the San Jose call. And they're like, yeah, let's ask her. So they asked her, and she said no because her back was sore. And then I told the dispatcher, because I'm really cool with the dispatchers, by the way, you guys. Dispatchers are my friends. And I told the dispatcher, I was like, look, go tell the supervisor and tell the supervisor like how I have back-to-back calls and I'm helping the San Jose nurse so this person can help me. So she goes and tells the supervisor, and tell me why the supervisor goes, well, that's Cindy's area. She has to do it. You know what I said? I was so mad that night. And I feel bad because sometimes I do take it out on the dispatchers, but I kind of apologize afterwards. Like, I'm sorry, you guys. I know it's not you guys. But I tell her, I was like, you know what? Then find somebody for the San Jose area and don't ask me to do it again. She was like, okay, fair enough. So I ended up taking my call, which was in, like, I believe San Mateo, which is a peninsula area. So I ended up taking my call. But see, stuff like that, and it's happened a few times. Not even that was just one, you know. It's happened a few times, and it really, really enrages me. It makes me so mad. And I hate it because I'm caught in the middle where I'm like, do I go for the patient or do I say no because this company's taking advantage of me? I don't know. You guys, leave me a comment down below and give me some advice, because I love what I do. I genuinely love what I do. I just don't like what the company's doing. And it's come to the point where I've had to threaten to quit because I've gotten so overwhelmed. And my fiance's like, it's just not fair and it's not good for you to be stressing like this over a job that you love to do. And they take advantage of the fact that you really love your job. And I was like, I know. So I've been thinking of really scaling back my hours, of maybe just working on the weekends. So I might just call my supervisor and let her know, because it's just not fair. I don't find it fair. Tell me what you guys think. Maybe I'm being biased because it's me. If you guys feel that maybe I'm taking it the wrong way, or I don't know, if I'm being unrealistic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, because I just don't think it's fair. I don't think I don't know. I feel like the nurses I work with should help me as much as I help them, because we're all a team, right? We're all basically in it for helping the patients, right? It's all about the patients. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, because I don't know. I feel like a lot of nurses are in it for money these days. And I'm like, okay. On that note, I can't lie. I did go in it for money. I was like, oh, they get paid good, this, and that. But then when I started, I genuinely enjoyed it. I was like, oh, I like this, I like the feeling of, knowing that I've made a difference in someone's life, or that I'm helping somebody when they can't help themselves, But I know a lot of people are in it for the money, and they're just in it for the paycheck. And it makes no sense, you guys. Spending is going to get $50. So 20, 40, and 15. I have an extra 5, and I don't know why. I don't know where that 5 goes, you guys. So leave me a comment down below. I just had to vent really quick. And I say this again, and I can't say it enough. I enjoy my job. I enjoy it. And I wish I didn't have to come to these extremes, because it's just, I have my Etsy shop, I have my son, I have work, and I have school full-time. Work full-time. I'm a mom, a full-time mom, single mom. Well, no, I'm my fiance, huh? Full-time mom, I should say, because she does help me a lot. And my Etsy shop. But I'm juggling all these 4 for me to be just putting extra. And and you guys know the last video that I made where they cut down my pay drastically, like half of what they were paying me. And I'm still putting up with all of this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, you guys. And part of me considered even just leaving the job and going to find another hospice. But I'm like, do I really want to start over with another company? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for listening to my TED Talk. Just kidding. My rambling. My venting. I really need to vent because I don't know what to do. I'm caught in the middle, and I don't really need to stay with this company because there's a lot of places that are hiring for nurses. I don't know. I'm stuck whether to start over with another company or just cut my hours short on this one, or just quit altogether, or just continue with my Etsy and just leave nursing altogether. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Part of me wants to just quit and just focus on school, because I am in school to become an RN. Maybe I might do that, because we can live off of what I'm making on Etsy and my fiance's salary. So, but I'm not sure. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would do in this situation. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me vent a little. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.